you guys? Welcome back to another day of vlogmas. It is either vlogmas day 16 or 17. It is currently, come on, it is currently 1:42 a.m. and I'm about to go ahead and pack up these orders and drop them off at the post office. I think I'm gonna only be able to drop off 2 because I'm waiting on one of my customers to respond to the email, but I'm still gonna get it packed up because it's not like a wholesale order where I have to like actually fill some tubes or something or fill some jars. One customer ordered a bundle, another customer ordered samples, and then a third customer ordered squeeze tube, syringe and pipette kit, samples, and wand tubes. I'm still waiting on the wand tubes to get here. They will not arrive until Tuesday, so I'm trying to see what she wants me to do. Like if she wants me to ship it out with these orders or ship it out on Tuesday when the wand tubes get here. I'm honestly getting very sleepy, so let's go ahead and get started. This should not take me long at all. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. Leave a smiley face emoji in the comments. Engagement truly does help. If you are interested in lip gloss or lip scrubs, make sure you click the link in the description box, Sha'NayaoShea.com. I currently have on our clear gloss, peppermint scent. I'm gonna start off by printing out the packing slips just so I can see everything that I need to get out. Hopefully I have enough ink because I think I am low on black ink. What is this? Bro. What is this? Why is it printing out like that? That's not what I want. Is it gonna come back out? I guess this is saving paper. This is not how I wanted it though, but I guess. Now, let me get this box taped up. I'm gonna start off with the small orders first. Here are the retail glosses and the sample glosses. Samples are available. Still gotta order the jars so we can restock those, like do a huge restock. And here are the retail glosses. Can't really see everything, but there's a lot. So this customer ordered from the original 6 collection and the semi-nudes collection. Here is Billionaire. I might actually have to make up one gloss because I don't see it in there. This is Millionaire. This is High Class. And this is Boss Bitch. So I have to make for keeps real quick. So I'll be right back. All right, so here is the order. Millionaire, High Class, Billionaire, Boss Bitch, and for keeps. Got one order done. Now let's get this bundle together. So this is just the holiday bundle. I really think she is my #1 customer. Anytime I have a bundle or Whenever she just wants to order something, she'll come order. But whenever I post about a new bundle, she is on it. Like, she makes sure she gets a bundle. And I truly appreciate it so much. So much. So here is the bundle. Almost gone. If you are interested, make sure you shop. It is so pretty. If you want to see swatches, make sure you check out the bundle video. I have it on the screen. My lip swatches aren't the best, but if you want to see how they look, make sure you check out that video. There is an arm swatch picture on the website though. So if you're interested, make sure you check everything out. Let me take a picture real quick, and then we can go ahead and pack these two up, and then we'll get the big order ready. I actually need to order some inventory. I need some more oils. I need some more pink drawstring bags, my bigger ones. Like, I have a bunch of white ones. I only have one big pink one left. What else do I need? I need some more sample jars. Some more of these. They're about to be out. Ink. Definitely need to order some inventory real soon. This is one of the orders. So pretty. I hope she loves the glosses. Now let's get this one packed up.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out.
The other order. Now let's move on to the big order. So we're gonna start off with the samples. She ordered a bunch of samples. Like, literally samples from all three collections.
Nobody else made it through. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right around the love, right around the truth, right around the...
So let's go ahead and get out the ones on this side. It Girl, Boss Bae, For Keeps, Obsessed, Sunkiss, Gold Digger, Top Notch, HBIC, Bossy and Rich, right here, and then High Class, Millionaire, Go Getter, Wealthy, Billionaire. So I actually have to make up Dream Chaser and High Class. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, we have all of the sample glosses right here. She also ordered us the range and pocket kit. This is how it looks. 50 squeeze tubes. I'm gonna count out 50 of these. 20, 40, 50. All right, so we have 50 clear top squeeze tubes. So I'm gonna actually put the tops into this one. We got 50 tops. I'm gonna put the squeeze tubes in this poly mailer, just so that they won't be moving all around in the box. Alright, have that ready to go. Get this Fit kit wrapped up. I just want everything to be secure. Alright, let me get a little boomerang and picture, and then we can go ahead and put this stuff in the box. Y'all, I am so tired. Oh my gosh. I'm so ready to lay down. Alright, let's go ahead and put this in the box. Put that flat. This right here. And let's put these into drawstring bags. Here are the samples right here. So pretty. I like how this looks. Looks so nice. So now I just have to weigh everything and print out the shipping label. And then we'll be done. Boom. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Enjoyed watching me, you know, be a little entrepreneur, getting these orders ready. The order is ready to go, so now I'm about to go ahead and put on my coat and my shoes and drop these two off at the post office, and then we'll be done. It is really 4:28 right now, but the orders just got dropped off. I'm about to go home and go to sleep. I will see you all tomorrow for day 17 or 18. I don't know, but yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow.